Tinnitus, the annoying ringing and how to make it better. Most people have experienced tinnitus at least once in their life. Most cases are mild and temporary, but there are people who have severe cases that last for months or years. Others may experience periodic episodes of tinnitus. Use the information in this video to put an end to your tinnitus. One tip for managing tinnitus is to visit the dentist and get evaluated for dental problems. Have the dentist check for temporomandibular jaw syndrome and discuss treatments with you if it is needed. If you wear dentures, have the dentist check that they fit you properly. Correcting dental problems may help reduce tinnitus. Learn Pilates. Pilates can help you handle your stress, which is one of the things that makes tinnitus worse. If you are able to figure out how to deal with situations that make you anxious, you will feel more freedom to do the things that you love without the fear of exacerbating your condition. To help you treat tinnitus, maintain a low stress level and relax more. It has been shown that stress and anxiety can aggravate or even cause the symptoms of tinnitus. By learning to relax and controlling your stress, you can alleviate the symptoms and improve the condition. Consult a good physician. Consulting with your doctor can determine if the symptoms you are experiencing are tinnitus or not and put your mind at ease. Only a certified physician can tell you for sure what you're dealing with. He can do certain tests to see what may be the cause of the tinnitus. Do you have a ringing, hissing, roaring or buzzing sound in your ears that seems to beat in time with your heart? You could possibly be suffering from a condition known as pulsatile tinnitus. Seek advice from your doctor to determine if you are suffering from this condition. Some things that can cause pulsatile tinnitus are excessive earwax, exposure to loud noises, and the stiffening of the bones in the inner ears. By determining the cause for your tinnitus, your physician may be able to help relieve it. As explained above, most people have experienced tinnitus at one time or another in their life. Unfortunately, there are others who have more severe cases of tinnitus that don't go away or that interfere with their quality of life. If you adopt some of the strategies from this video, you may be able to finally silence that constant noise. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.